fetching. Stop trying to make fetch happen. Ugh. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't not subscribed, yes, subscribe. So today I'm gonna be unboxing. It would have been two, but like, well, I'm show you guys, but it would have been two, but I only have one. But I'm gonna be showing you guys my Mean Girls times Bratz Cady doll, and yeah, and I also got a lot of things to talk about as well with that. So yeah, get your snacks, turn on Mean Girls, and let's get into the video. Okay. Before we get started, I want to say free Palestine, free Congo, free Yemen, free Sudan, free Hawaii, yeah, free Palestine, yeah, free Palestine, yeah. Let's get into the video. All right, Bratz. Do I want to start with the bad or do I want to start with the good? I'm gonna start with the bad first. Bratz. I love you guys. I do. I love you guys. I really do. When I got the Cady doll, it was easy. It was. I sat there for like an hour. I just kept going. I just sat there, and I hurried up and got it, and it came through. But when I tried to get the Regina, that's when everything went down. I sat there like again for an hour, just sitting there, and then soon as I clicked, because they said click shop all, I clicked the shop all. Page doesn't exist. Kept refreshing. Page doesn't exist. Then it popped up. Clicked it, put it in my cart. Then the robot thing came up. They said click this to put a car, like click was the car. I did 3 times, and it kept going and going and going. I didn't know that I had to click verify, because when you do that stuff, it automatically would say, oh, you're not a robot. Then I had to wait in line for 2 minutes. I sat there for 2 minutes. It said available. You want to check out? Oh, sold out. But mind you, they said that they're gonna they have inventory of the regular, but they're gonna have inventory of like a pre-order. Basically, like pre-order, you probably will be getting it around October 18th or December, right? So I'm like, cool. I'm happy, because I'm like, I told myself, I'm like, if I don't get the regular from the regular drop, I don't care, as long as I'm getting it, right? Sold out. So I'm like, Bratz. I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed, because if you're gonna do pre-order, it shouldn't matter how many people are gonna buy this doll if it's for pre-order. You get what I'm saying? It's pre-order. I mean, you have a limit, but you could do around like 20,000, 30,000 units. You know what I'm saying? It's pre-order. You know what I'm saying? Mass produce it, you know? I'm just really upset, because also with the Bratz, the way how y'all do this, I don't like it. Why was this doll only on your site? The Kylie doll was on Target, Amazon, Bratz.com, Walmart. It was everywhere. That's y'all wrong as well. Why did you guys only put this doll on Bratz.com? Why didn't you spread out the inventory? I get it, because with the Cady doll, it was so many, and a lot of people aren't getting it. I've been doubling up. I got a duplicate, and I thought it'd probably be another one, because they're pretty. I liked the doll, but I get as a business, like, they probably was scared, like, well, seeing with this doll, y'all didn't really buy it. And that's one thing with y'all. Y'all be complaining like, oh, Bratz, why y'all didn't? That's another thing with y'all. Bratz, why y'all didn't do a lot of units? Every single time they do a lot of units, y'all don't buy them. That's why with the Mean Girls, they didn't do that. And I'm not mad at them for doing that. That's why they didn't do that. It's because of y'all. One thing. But another thing, you know, I just had to put that on that there, because it's not all their fault. It's y'all fault too. If y'all would have been buying the Kylie doll and sold it out, maybe this doll, maybe this, we would have had more. So a lot of it is y'all. That's probably why they only had it on Bratz.com anyway. You know what I'm saying? Because they probably was scared. I would have been scared too. So a lot of it is y'all fault. Don't blame them. It's y'all fault. It is. So stop trying to blame them. A lot of it is your fault. And I'm not blaming them. I'm just saying. But I would have wished though, even if it was small inventory, cause they got dolls in Target, you know, they got their lineups there. I would have loved it even if it was online, cause the Motorola was online. I would have loved but the Motorola, y'all didn't even buy that. You get, and it's still Jade is still somewhat available, like 4 left, but y'all barely even bought that. That's why I'm like, I'm not surprised why they didn't do a lot of inventory. But anyways, I'm trying to go quick because I want to show you the all. I'm like, I wish they would have put it on Target.com, Amazon, and all of them, even if it was small inventory, because I feel like if they would have put it everywhere else, I feel like everybody would have been satisfied. Some people would have missed out, but I feel like everybody would have been satisfied. But I see why, as a business standpoint, that they didn't put it everywhere, because y'all embarrass them every single time. You ask for this repros, that it's never perfect. You're like, oh my gosh, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Y'all complain, y'all community, I see y'all. Y'all complain every freaking time. Then you wonder why we don't get multiple dolls. Because I wanted to get 2. But you wonder why we don't. It's because of y'all as well. It is. But yeah. Bratz, if y'all do another collab with Mean Girls, please put it at Target. Please put it at Amazon. But yeah, let me just show you guys the doll. I just had to do that little rant. But yeah, MGA, if y'all watching this, watch it all the way through. I just talked about y'all, but I also talked about the doll community, because a lot of y'all, it's because of y'all fault too. But yeah, both sides. But yeah, let's show you the doll. Eee! Ain't she so pretty? Ain't she so pretty? I love the stickers, and I love like these details. I'm not taking her out the box. I'm thinking about taking her out the box, but I'm so scared. Like, she's just too beautiful. Like, these is like one of the, because I have a lot of dolls already out anyway. I'm like, you know what? I want to keep her in the box. And I love this. Like, imagine this on your book stand and you see this. I'm keeping the box. But imagine seeing this on your book stand. Like, they eating with, I gotta get the Always Bratz. They're eating with this packaging. They're eating. I see them trying stuff new. They're eating. It also with the Always Bratz. Y'all wasn't even buying those. Y'all still not buying those. I gotta get them. My money been a little low. But like, y'all never satisfied. Y'all never satisfied what they do. I'm so sorry, but like, Bratz, they just never satisfy. Never. But yeah. Oh, so pretty. I'm going a little fast because I don't want the video to be too long. But like, so pretty. Is it blurry? Sorry. So pretty. I love this. I love this. So pretty. Alright, I'm gonna show it again because it might was a little blurry. But yeah. Oh, and another thing. I wish with the doll, I'm gonna leave it open. I wish with the doll, it came with Aaron Samuels, her boyfriend, Aaron. I wish it would have came with Aaron, and I wish it would have came with her friends, those her 2 friends she had, Cady. I wish it was a part of the lineup because we don't have any of them. But like, if you're gonna put Mrs. Aaron Samuels on here, why wasn't he included? He could have been limited edition, because I know a lot of people don't buy the boys, but I buy the boys and the girls. He should have been included. Like, I don't know why he wasn't, but yeah. I love this second dress. I mean, this second outfit. I love that. What I wish they would have added more with her. I feel like I wish they would have added, like, I don't know, like another outfit, like the one with the skirt and like a C necklace, like how, cause she became one of the main ones when Regina left the group, the plastics. I wish they would have put an outfit of her with that one on, with the skirt. But yeah, other than that, I still like it. I love the doll. It's really cute. It's so cute in the box, but I probably will be taking her out because I want to do her hair, and yeah, so I'm gonna be taking her out. I'm just gonna keep the box because it's easy to take her out. I think you just open it, you know, so it's easy. So I'm keeping the box. So yeah. Also, I want to show this toy I got at an antique store. Got it yesterday. Her name is Blink. So cute. And like, I think she might be the only one, because I'm watching Agatha all along. She might be the only girl that can go head to toe with Blink. I mean, head to toe with Wanda. She the only girl could go head to toe with her. I feel she the only one could go head to toe. But yeah, Marvel, if you're watching this, we need more of her. We need a movie of her, please. And if you do, cast me in it. But yeah. Alright, y'all. That was my rant. And that was my doll showing of Cady from the Mean Girls x Bratz collection. show you the stickers. And yeah, it's cute. I love this holographic. But yeah, all right, you guys. Like, comment. Oh, I wish. Why wasn't the varsity? If they're gonna do fashion packs, can you please put a varsity jacket for Cady? I would love to get a varsity because she wore it for the math. Yeah, she wore it for the math competition. Can you put that in there, please? Please. That's a Bratz. Call me. But yeah, all right, guys. Love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.
Right straight out, look in.
Look in. One quick question.